So, good afternoon everyone. So,
Good afternoon, J. Lord.
and Ray. So, we are here to present the higher education in Australia. So, before we proceed, let us read the objectives. So, first is understand the structures and types of institutions. Learn how students are admitted. Examine tuition and financial systems. Discover teaching and learning methods. Explore quality assurance practices and highlight innovation and best practices. So, proceed to the introduction. So, everyone is ready to play.
Australia is widely recognized as a global leader in higher education, known for its high academic standards, world-class research, and inclusive learning environment. The Australian higher education system attracts students from all over the world, with a strong regulatory framework, a wide variety of institutions, and a diverse range of programs. Higher education in Australia is structured to meet the needs of both domestic and international learners.
In Australia, so in the definition, so sila jud ang kanang murag na kanang sa babaw murag kanang sa country na murag nasa on top bitaw ato bilang kanang higher education. So
Sila ang pinaka-top? Yes!
rooftop.
Yes! What a top!
Australia ranks among the top destinations for quality higher education. Its universities appear in global rankings and its systems is known for being inclusive, innovative, and research-oriented. Strengthens national productivity, enhances human capital, and supports knowledge-based economies.
Yes! Yes!
Yes, sir. Next, the structure of Australia's higher education system. So everyone is state the
Australian higher education system is structured under the Australian
Qualification Framework,
which ensures consistency and quality across all levels of education. Students can enter the system at various points, including through vocational education and training, pathways, and progress to higher qualifications.
The education in Japan, sir.
So many posts.
It's divided into 5 weeks private, which is kindergarten and high school. Consists of 6
So when we say AQF, kung ari sa Pilipinas, is what's the agency? CHED. So, sa Australia, ang tawag sila to is AQF, mo nang nag-handle sa under sa tertiary level or ang higher education system dito. Kung diri sa CHED. Which ensures consistency and quality across all levels of education. But ang standards nga naa sa Australian Education Framework, mo na ilang gibasehan sa mga implementations nga ginhimo sa mga college level at mga country. Muna including the VET or the vocational education and training.
So, next is the types of institution. So, first is the universities, it offers bachelor's, master's, and doctoral programs. The group of 8 universities are known for academic excellence and research. So, isa po sa ilang institution is kanang mga universities. Like, nagod sila yung mga kanang estudyante for bachelor's, nakoy pang masteral o nakoy doctoral. So, tawag sa sila o kanang nasa sila ay universities that tawag o the group of 8 universities. Next is the TAPE, means technical and further education. So,
It focuses on vocational and practical training, bridging education with implementation. So, pareha sa atin natin rin, naman tayo tinanay siguro pareha ng test daw. Ay, ni Kumat, ni mga graduate ka, tagaan ka. Isip itong anak para pwede na ka, kung na kayo nga pwede na ka mag-apply, maka-abroad.
Appeal as impairments.
Next is private providers, specialized in fields like design, hospitality, business, and IT.
And may mga universities na private, may mga courses na nila-offer. Some of the courses offered by the universities. Like design, hospitality, business, and IT.
So there are degree levels in the higher education system in Australia. First is the bachelor's degree or so ilaha 3 years. 3 years na ilaha sa kay 4 years man para maka-earn ka ng bachelor's degree. Next is the master's degree, 1 to 2 years. Doctorate and professional qualifications in areas like law, medicine, and education.
So the next is the admission process. So before ka maka-enroll sa mga university sa Australia, undergo ka una og admission process or what is called the entrance exam. For domestic students, kanang domestic needs kanang sa mga students na nagpuyo sa Australia or local. Entry often based on or Australian tertiary admission rank. Other criteria may include personal statements, portfolios, or for creative meetings or interviews. So, ang bagay sa lang admission process ato is through mga portfolios or interviews or personal statements.
For creative activities, siguro lang para sa mga design, fine arts,
kanang mga vocational or mga vocational na courses. So, ngayon pa nga ang admission nila at kay portfolio. And for international students, katong mga student from the other country na study abroad sa Australia, mao niyang ani sila mo undergo nga admission process. Must meet academic prerequisites. So, kanang as you or nakibaw mo ani kasagaran sa mga mo-study abroad kay kinahanglan panangitan ng Pilipinas, kinahanglan mo kuha taon na og mga may specified pila ka units, like 72 units mostly, 72 units. Dapat mo pila ka ng 72 units diri sa Pilipinas ay haka maka-enroll sa abroad. One of them is sa Australia. And provide proof of English proficiency. Kay since first language siya, Australia, kay English man, so most pila ka ito, dapat kamao ka mo English. And additional requirements may include visas and health insurance. So dapat magpa-medical ka una, healthy ba ka before ka mag-study abroad. Pathways to higher education. Foundation programs prepare students who don't meet direct entry requirements. Bridging courses help international or mature students transition into degree programs. Recent reforms focus on equity and accessibility, offering more flexible options for non-traditional learning.
Next is the tuition, funding, and financial support in education in Australia. So, first is the tuition fees. So, domestic students pay reduced fees under government subsidies program. So, meaning, nabot sila yung mga yung mga scholarship ito, like example is mga subsidies program like sa Pilipinas like one is mga Chiles,
Yes, nga na. Sa ilaha po, na po yung gobyerno offer of scholarship para sa Australia. Sa taga dito na po.
Next is international students pay full tuition which varies depending on their course and state. So, mga taga-gawas, mga di taga-Australia, kinanglan sila mo bayad sa portfolio. Depende pa sa ilang course na ikuha ng university.
So these are the agencies or government support for katong ganahan mo sa mga university pero di enough na budget or financial support. So ay government na offer na. Like diri sa ato sa Pilipinas mga TS, CHED. So sa Australia na sila agency nga HECS Help. This is loan for tuition fees paid through income tax when earning above a central school. So na ba na nga kanang loan dili human mo sa eskwela like katong mga di-loan mo is tong refundan ig makatrabaho na ka bayaran mo sila di ka na kay trabaho
So, di
ikaw
mo,
man na ka
ikaw man ha.
ikaw man na Next is FHEE Help. This agency covers full tuition for students not eligible for HES. So katong mga student nga di ka afford nga mo loan, so all nga agency ang mutabang para maka-avail sila maka-avail sila sa financial support na kinahanglan nila aron maka-eskwela sila na university as in full jud sila.
Tanan makasila na.
Hindi, ang one up sa ang one up sa
Awan ang sa
ano yung mga awit na
Sa katulad kung mga lokal na student,
ano.
darang scholarship. Okay, first is academic and merit-based scholarship. Second is government-funded options like the Australia Awards. Third is the university-specific grants for domestic and international students. So there are also scholarships there are also scholarships sa Australia na maka-avail ang mga students isang sa local or international.
na yung kanang bright na ba?
Sa mga bitaw, sa inyong pilahan, ikaw ang top 1. So, naay kurang grant. Offer sila grant scholarship. Full, naay sa kaya na, di ba na, kung top 1 ka is full tuition scholarship. Covered si Jump. Second, naay mga percent.
Curriculum, teaching, and learning styles. So it encourages research, critical thinking, and interdisciplinary learning. Offers majors and minors for more accessibility. Opportunities for work, integrated learning, capstone projects, and real-world applications. So dito sa Australia, encourage yung mga research para rin nga kinanglan dyan mga research sa offers majors and minors for course responsibility. Tapos sila ay mga minor na subjects daw ay kinanglan ay nga hindi nila i-pursue daw ilang major na sila yung option lain nga option para ilang kapilian para opportunities for
Next is the teaching method. So the teaching methods of Australia I use split classrooms. Means that students review content before class, freeing time for academic learning, active learning. So next is the problem-based learning. So students work in teams to solve real-world problems. The third is the extensive use of technology, sector recording, online quizzes, virtual learners, and forums. Next is the student support. So the student support, the academic advisors, counseling services, career planning, and peer tutoring. So next is the personalized learning path and inclusive teaching practices.
quality assurance and accreditation. Regulatory body. TAUSA or Tertiary Education Quality and Standards Agency is the national regulator. So the accreditations are institutions are regularly reviewed for quality assurance and focus on curriculum relevance, faculty qualifications, and student outcomes. Next is the outcome measures. Global university rankings, research impact, and graduate employability and institutional surveys. Ongoing improvements, students' feedback informs curriculum updates and benchmarking against international standards keeps programs competitive.
So those are the education system in Australia, in higher education system in Australia. So let's move on to the best practices. The universities of Australia has implemented. First is innovative teaching. The use of AI tools, digital simulations, virtual reality labs, and online collaboration tools. So since we are now in a digital age where technology are innovating, so dito is nagamit na silang mga AI tools. Mga AI hinahinay na silang na-adopt mga technologies dito niya. I-implement or i-integrate nila sa classroom set.
Pwede na mag-AI.
Hindi research mga
Second is gamification and personalized learning platforms. Anong mga game-based activities o mga na-examples. It's either through digital or traditional Example, sige kahot anong ginawa sa Okay, second, an industry collaboration. So, education dito sa Australia is, ang mga schools nila is collaborate sa different industries. Universities partner with companies for internships, research projects at skill training. So, for example, ani, kung may mga OJT bitaw, so, kasagaran ani is sa mga graduating na, OJT na sila, so, mag-collaborate sila or mag-partner sila sa mga institution wherein wherein ang mga students sa mga school is offer silang service dito. Like,
Sa tanga nga, diri nga na may mga organization daw. Ito sila yung pumunta sa mga munisipyo, mga prestation.
second is curricula are developed with industry implication and relevance. So, ang curriculum dito sa Australia is relevant. Is relevant. Sige, ang curriculum dito sa Australia is ang mga subjects dito is related rin hapon dito sa, for example, sa professional is magamit si John. Relevant si John.
Gamit sa
Diba? Sige, global integration, joint degree student exchange programs and international research network. So ang sa Australia, kung mag-research sila is pwede sila ang research sila pwede dito sila makago on other countries o experiments o mag-research sila, mag-conduct ng research. Pwede sila kasi sa
Nagkuha na ko naman ng research sa I'm not sure there's parang biosimilar na parang sa agree.
Tinte daw bisyo. Pwede sila
Pwede sila sa kasagaran na kay mga private schools bitaw. Kay mga afford mag-good sila.
Pare sa mga state.
Mga top
Mga top universities. Nailana. Like, makikuha sila sa other side sila
higher education system is internationally recognized for its quality and innovation. Here are some of the most notable practices that the Philippines is adopt or adopt to improve its own higher education system. So first is the outcome-based education or OB. So meaning that Australia places strong emphasis on learning outcomes and graduate attitudes. Courses are designed with clear learning outcomes aligned to career competencies. So in this, nagpansad sila o outcome-based bitaw education.
Na-charge ko na ako sa system.
So in Philippine application,
Charge me
so, further integrate
Panapilis man.
OB
May
across
promo.
all universities in
One at one.
Sila bayad.
So, ang sana na outcome-based education.
Parang luto-luto daw.
Kanang na sila yung mga specialized subject dito, like, kung education, ang mga curriculum ana is pag-teaching na dyan, na specialized na dyan. The courses are designed with clear learning outcomes aligned with career competency. So, kung sa itong mga sa itong curriculum nga, nag-implement sa imong mga course, so, is magamit dyan na si Johnny mo nag-graduate mo, hindi ka makakita ng career. So, like, wala na bitay mga minor subjects. Like, focus na dyan ka sa usay, sa mga campus.
So, strong quality assurance system. The Tertiary Education Quality and Standards Agency ensures all Australian higher education providers meet consistent national standards. Philippine application. Strengthen change monitoring with more transparent, streamlined, and clearly applicable standards
So, sa Australia, country, ang education system nila dito is always sila nakapalo sa national standards nila. So, I think na-adapt na nila dito sa Pilipinas wherein ang education system sa dati is nakapalo po sa standards sa CHED.
Yes.
Pwede na ba ng dito na kapitigan?
industry partnerships and work
Ganon na
related
dito
learning.
ba?
Australian universities often with internships, practicums on cooperative degree directly to degree programs. So, the Philippine application boost industry academic collaboration through structured internship or project-based learning with real-world competencies. Para sa mga kanang OJT or kanang nag-confirmation nila, like kulaboran sila sa kanang industry para
Ano man?
ma-practice nila ilang mga skills.
Dito sila mag-training.
Charge man.
Na-apply na po na diri sa ato
Yeah, kasi password ito ang mga.
Murag natin po kasi same.
Check.
Dati po kasi same sa education system dito sa Australia. Pero mas kuwan lang sila, kanang mas high sila ato kay developing pa man.
Fourth is internationalization of education. Australia attracts thousands of international statements and has strong global exchange programs and encourage more international collaboration, community with students English, and curriculum benchmarking with
So, ano po na nasabda ninyo ng internationalization of education?
Ang last one is international.
Strong global linkages.
Like na yung mga dagang students.
Yes.
Yes. Exchange students.
Yes, kasi
Yeah.
Like exchange students.
Oh.
Yes.
Dili lang taga Australia ready ka sa atin. Pwede mo tama.
Yes, some universities in Australia is mo kanang mutawag
Offer
sila
mga
mga
exchange student.
mga estudyante nga gikan sa laing nasod.
Yeah.
Like,
para mailang education.
So sila nag-offer sila mga courses wherein students from the other country can avail. Kaya mo na iingon nato nga study abroad. Like daghan sila mga universities dito nga kasagaran kay mga nag-eskwela kay from different different nations. So, siguro kani karon sa Pilipinas is na yung uban mo talaga sa uban eskwelahan. Pero sa kasagaran marami nga mga kasagaran kay private schools na nag-offer og mga foreign students. Okay, kay naaras sa Luzon, sa Luzon, sa Pamanahin, pero may lang nasa kuha. So, yung Philippine application dapat ang huwag magod ng budget.
Makauwaw ra man kami.
Wait, mga foreign students pero ana dyan. Pero kung kasagaran na niya maka-afford na is
Social na dapat.
sa private university dito wala ng mga maka-afford tungkol sa eskwelahan.
Kailangan pa yung mga sa tuwa sa Philippines, kailangan tayo mga international students. Pero dili lang dyan man.
Pero diri sa ato sa Pilipinas kanami itong mga top universities.
Nasa tuwa sa Brent. Sa Brent.
Like sa UP, naaman po yung foreign student dito. Without
Hindi ko ma-record. Kami rabi.
Kami na lang.
Happy na.
came with the flexible and online learning model. So even before the pandemic, Australia offered high quality online and blended learning options supported by strong digital infrastructure. So sa una daw is kanang nag-pandemic ang kuha, nagamit sila ang mga kanang blended learning bitaw like kanang digital lang gamiton. Like example is kanang mag-kuhan sila video bitaw virtual sila
Ang nakalindot sa dito sa Uban University sa Australia kay na sila katong ikuan dito ni mong dress sa kanwa kato bitaw pwede ka mas maka-eskwela sa gawas through online oo nga na basta nga sa to like open online courses maka-enroll ka to ka university sa lahat through online pwede ras bandi ang certificate nga madawat ng online na ikaw rin ba rin? O na nga na, may nakalindot dito kay offer sila courses dito. Yes!
Yes.
Student support services. Australia universities offer comprehensive student services, including career guidance, mental health support, and learning centers. Establish or enhance student wellness centers, academic pricing, and job placement services.
Sa to rin ay sa guidance. Sila mo guide sa
Check sa
along their journey sa ilang college level.
sa mga ilang
And before sila mo graduate na sila exit interview. Exit interview like may pag-grad na may exam.
Sir,
Kasi mura way nila para makapasa nila
Don't dami to siya no?
Diba? Like yung sahay ka ng sa high school nga na sa may interview nga kung ang nara related sa kung saan pursue a career. Doon na yung interview tik-tik.
So kasagaran ang facilitate ani sa mga students ang mga guidance counselor.
Yes.
Yes.
Pangalim.
Saka na.
Last na na.
Last na.
Research and education. Research in Australia is highly supported and integrated with national development goals and industry needs. Application in the Philippines. This provides more funding and incentives for research and foster partnerships between universities and industries for
So dito sa Australia is kung ang mga students nila is maganda kong research na ay mukabulidor na ay sponsor mga or ang government support which is sila tabang sa mga research ng mga students may nakalindot kasi sila dito pa sanay daghan kung research gani kay oy ipumosan yung mo na daghan mo offer ang financial support. Kaya ka ng mga panganda ko ng mga research.
Magamit rin.
Igamiton rapod na nila mong god. O, magamit rin na sa ita. May nakalindot dito. Okay, wala to Philippine application provide more funding and incentives for research and foster partnerships between universities and industries or government. So in order for kada nga research is masuportaan sila, may iban sila gamit ang collaborate sa other industries or sa mga institutions or makikipag-partner sila sa mga sabihan na makatabang sa lang research. And those are the practices, most notable practices in Australia. Pwede na ito ma-implement din sa Pilipinas or ma-adapt natin.
system that balances academic rigor with practical experience and student support. The wide range of institutions, flexible pathways, and curriculum policy is designed to accommodate diverse learning needs, whether pursuing undergraduate or postgraduate studies. Students in Australia benefit from an education that is not only comprehensive
So overall, ang higher education system sa Australia is flexible kayo kay iman ka kanang Thai universities nga pang international, so flexible kayo sila like lahi gud na learning preferences ang kada country, so murag strong kayo ilahang education system dito kay maka-accommodate sila lahi-lahi ng mga estudyante from other countries. So,
Pwede yung mga laing o sa countries na mo, ano sa ilang.
sila sa ilang
Right, ang ilang education is
Lahi
provided.
ang qualification.
only qualification.
Kasi lahi ang qualification sa students from laing country or
Yes, lahi. Mo tutong admission process. Radya, malinaw. Dapat, pag ganun sila ka, kung ka sa lain country, dapat na mo Yes, and there are different, dapat sila mga courses na di ba offer dito. Like, mostly kay specialized subject.
Mag-course nila is guide sila kung sa yung gusto trabaho mo daw ikaw man ang gusto.
We're secure naman siguro ito.
Secure na sila dito. Yanindot man sa ilaha dito kay while nag-eskwela pa is parang daghan opportunity nga makapagita ka part-time jobs.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, without stage rate.
Kay ang ilang oras dito week kay dili man 8 to 5.
Kay ang schedule mo dito kay ikaw ra mo pili di parehas
Yes.
diri sa 4 hours
per kanilang klase
ito
ato.
nga naanay subject or schedule mo ihatag dito sa tuwalan. Ang dito is
Sila mapili, ang students mapili, mapili kay instructor, mapili og schedule
Oh,
nila.
instructor ko sila mapili sa instructor.
Pili pa sila eskwelahan.
Oh, nga naka-flexible ang eskwelahan dito sa Australia.
Yes. May punta na si Angel.
Mali po tata, ano mo na mag-suggest ito?
Ay ka na, sabay ba mga practices nga pwede apply sa Pilipinas? Ay, ang say ka nung ito ka ng unsa ka practices ato? Unsaon ni mo ba apply sa
Mo mura man ipanilis ning
Unsaon? Sa isa? Sa isa? Nato yung isang na interest AI. Under AI. Ano siya pag-integrate sa mga hospitals? Kuan. Pero technology, ang pinaka main kuan man din anak. Pinaka main reason kanang integrate ang technology sa school kay kuan kanang budget jud digit sa budget. So why budget sa mga
Oh,
wala
yes.
budget wala. Mostly
Oh.
dito sa mga public schools kay nagsalig ra mo sila sa budget sa gobyerno.
Gobyerno.
So kung walay budget ang gobyerno, dili jud maka-avail ang eskwelahan na nga.
Yes.
Gamit og technology. Pero mostly sa mga private schools, maka-provide sila kayo na aman sila short pa.
Na sponsor. Yan saan man na.
Di isa sa mga tuwag. Oh.
Saan yung na para mapuan siya?
Ang una dito, dapat putuhan mo ako. So, kanto pwede to siya.
Kutuhan mo si Kibuloy din.
Na, any questions?
Non-being.
And,
Congratulations.
that's all for our topic. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.
Shoulder.
Thank you.
Buti yung dali mo lang.